Okay, question 4. Your financial analyst has provided you with the following information on assets A and B. As usual, I've recopied the information here. The question is, what is the expected return of a risk-free portfolio? So the first thing to notice is that the correlation between the two assets is -1. So the two assets are perfectly negatively correlated. So we know that if the correlation between A and B is perfectly negative, as it is the case here, then it's possible to combine A and B to form a portfolio that is risk-free. So in a way such that the resulting portfolio has a variance of 0. So to do this, we first must find the weights of the risk-free portfolio. So that's the minimum variance weights. So looking at the formula sheet that will be provided to you at the midterm, I'm just gonna copy the formula right here. So for A, it's equal to sigma squared B minus sigma A sigma B rho AB over sigma squared A plus sigma squared minus twice sigma B, correlation A and B. So there we go. We have the formula. We just plug in the numbers. That's 0.12 squared plus. So because this is negative, so it's -1, I'm just gonna switch the sign here. 0.03 times 0.12 divided by 0.03 squared plus 0.12 squared. Again, this is -1. I'm just gonna switch the sign. Plus 2 times 0.03 times 0.12. So using your calculator, if you do this calculation, you will get 80%. So we can now find the weight of B easily. Oh, so I wanted to put minimum variance here. WB minimum variance is equal to 1 minus 80%. That gives us a weight of 20%. Now the question is, what is the expected return of that risk-free portfolio? We can find that very easily. The expected return is equal to 80% times return of A, that's 4%, plus 20% times the return of B, that's 10%. Again, using a calculator, we find 5.2%. Now, this is not asked of us, but we could check if the portfolio is really risk-free. So that's very easy to do. We just calculate the variance of the portfolio. So we get 0.8 squared. That variance of is 0.03 squared plus 0.2 squared, 0.12 squared, plus 2 times 0.8 times 0.2 times 0.03 times 0.12 times the correlation between A and B. So that's -1. So what I'm going to do again is just switch the sign here. Get this. And if you input this on a calculator, you will find that the variance is indeed 0.